Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.00 in the defense sector, which is unusually flat, especially considering the recent uptick in global tensions. This stagnation in sentiment, combined with zero momentum over the last 24 hours, suggests a potential pivot point. Our API returns not just sentiment scores, but also insights into 20 semantic clusters that can reveal underlying themes driving these sentiments. You might find this particularly useful for risk assessment when evaluating defense contracts or procurement strategies. To explore these insights further and integrate them into your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this data intelligently.